Video Ebube Muonso anụ na trend since yesterday. Unu mana Ebube Muonso kwalụ mmịa yesterday. So video anụ ebe ọ na-agba egwu with mmọnwụ village ya we na trend. So many people when they do the video when I call that Ebube Muonso avoid go back to the roots. O nwere case na Ebube Muonso dị confused. Na ọ bụ onye ụka bụrụ onye omenala. O nwere case na Ebube Muonso na deceive ndị mmadụ. O nwere nke mfo si na Ebube Muonso na castigate Igbo culture and tradition. And today he's dancing with Igbo masquerade. Nwanne m nwoke nwanne m nwaanyị ka nkọwalụ gị. Since nje follow Ebube Muonso nji wena follow ya and make a preaching ya. Afun be maybe Ebube Muonso preach against Igbo tradition before or preach against Igbo culture. So many of you na-ekwu going back to the root. I can bet with my life that na Ebube Muonso ka most of you people were malu about Igbo tradition and Igbo culture. So many of you na also we are going back to the root. We are going back to the root. Most of our pastors today, most of our reverend fathers today, now respect Igbo tradition and culture more than most of you guys. So many of them are more about Igbo Omenala and tradition, culture, more than you guys now out on social media. I for me this special about this video you trend here. That Ebube Muonso na agba egwu with mmọnwụ obodo does not still change the fact that he's a Christian. Ọ bụghị iwu na accept to the religious aspect of Omenala. That is, ọ bụghị iwu na ejigodu nzu ọjị ose ọjị na edo we na-ekpe ekpere first before you can enjoy your culture as onye Igbo. Ọ bụghị iwu. You can still be a Christian and still enjoy your culture. So here I know na trend since yesterday about Ebube Muonso. I found anything bad about it. He's just enjoying himself with his village masquerade. Onweghị ihe dị bad about it. Be a Christian to not deprive you of enjoying your culture. I want you guys to understand that everybody ama bụ onye ụka. The same way everybody ama bụkwa onye omenala. Everybody ama eji nzu ọjị na edo we na-ekpe ekpere. The same way everyone na ejikwa Bible we ekpe ekpere, the same way he is we accept all this fact. He still did not change that na ncha bụ ka ofu ndị. So una dị na bring religion and belief and everything into anything mmadụ na-eme. Reverend Father is enjoying with his village masquerade, dancing with him. Na ebido trend bịa. Which one got the queer? Oh, yeah, what the hell is the party? I know you're too away. I am at the event. I saw you to put no, you know, because he can't muscle it. I got them on a stage. He can't muscle it, but got them on a stage. Onye na-esi ya ozara akụkọ aka egwu gospel.